Hi everyone, Tobias from Project of the Day here. I have a coffee break in my milling and I have a couple of questions for you. The first one is, what do you want to see on this channel? Is there any special film you want to see? So please comment down below. And here's one of my cats, Olivia. Hi. Do you prefer when I'm just milling, or do you want more educational videos where I go through the sawmill in more details and so on? Just let me know down in the comment down below. And for the new viewers, I have a Logosol Farmers with a Speedsaw E5 electric saw that is 5 kilowatts, 3-phase motors. And for that one I also have E37 auto feeder. And next sawmill I have is a Woodland Mills Sawmill. It's HM122, and that's also electric saw. It's a 4 kilowatts 3-phase motor. And over here I have made a new spot for something upcoming. And here you see my milling area. Here you see my house. It's about 200 years old and I'm working on fixing up. So lots of my spare time go to that. Right now I'm in progress of changing window on the house.
We're falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos.
And here I have a couple of ashes I want to take down and mill. And I also wonder if you think it should be interesting to stream live and walk around the sawmill live and answer any question about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.